Good morning student, you all are welcome in English class. Today we will do next two pages 12 number and 13 number in activity book. Okay, first of all take out your English activity book beta. Over there we will do some exercises related with A vowel words. We have been doing A vowel sound. I think now you are well versed with the A sound pictures, words and you can write properly beta. You have to write first letter capital. Okay, how you will write first letter capital, then the next spelling. Let's see how we can do the practice more and more. Let's see. Yes beta, this is the page number 1 to 12, then 1 3 13. We will do these two pages today. Okay, A vowel words. Last day we did, what is this? Tell me. L lion, T tree. We have to write T capital and T small. This is wrong. E envelope. Now we are revising beta. U umbrella, Q queen, N nest, V van, Z zebra, E egg, egg, Y yolk हो गया बेटा. This is. Now come on this page. We will see. Yes. What is written here? Draw a ring around the word that names the picture. Okay. First one is done for you. Draw a ring. We have to draw a ring around the word that name the picture. What is this? This is MAP, map. HAM ham, MAP map, WAX wax. This is MAP map. What is this? PAN pan, BAG bag, RAT rat. What is this? Your mama takes this when go to marriage, when go to outside in the market. Mama takes the bag with her. So this is PN pan, BAG bag. This is BAG bag. We make ring around this beta. Okay. What is this? MAT mat, LED LED, VN van. What is this? This is MAT mat. We spread it at our home while we sit in the sun or while we sit in the courtyard. We spread mat. What is this? When you buy new things, new clothes, there is a tag. Yes, MAT mat, TAG tag, SAT sad. This is TAG tag. Now see here. What is this? You eat it with the bread. JAM jam, SAD sad, FAN fan. This is JAM jam. Okay. Now come here. RAT rat, TAP tap, PAN pan. We get water from the tap. TAP tap. This is TAP tap. What is this? You wear it. CAP cap, NAP nap, LED LED. This is CAP cap. Very good. What is this? VN van, CAB cap, PAT pat. This is VAN van. Okay, beta, we have completed page number 1 to 12. Now, come on the page 1, 3, 13. What is written here? Identify the pictures and write their names. Identify the pictures and write their names. We have to first of all identify or recognize the picture. After that, we will write the name. What is this? This has been done for us. CAP cap. CAP cap. Now what is this? Tell me. RAT. Rat. Speak. RAT. Rat. You have to write first letter capital beta. What is this? FAN. Fan. FN. Fan. Now, what is this? MAP map, M-A-P, map. This is the map of India. C-A-P, cap. R-A-T, rat. F-A-N, fan. M-A-P, map. This is M-A-T, mat. This is M-A-T, mat. Come here. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Now tell me, you go to school by when? Yes. V-A-N, van. V-N, van. What is this? T-A-P, tap. Tell me what is this? J-A-M, jam. What is this? T-A-G, tag. B-A-T, bat. And then last one, B-A-G, bag. This is the picture work of beta A vowel sound. You have to read these pictures again and again so that you will become perfect. Again, I am going to teach you these two pages. Speak after me loudly. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. B-A-G, back. M-A-T, mat. T-A-G, tag. J-A-M, jam. T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cap. V-A-N, van. Then again, C-A-P, cap. R-A-T, rat. F-A-N, fan. M-A-P, map. M-A-T, mat. C-A-T, cat. V-A-N, van. T-A-P, tap. J-A-M, jam. T-A-G, tag. B-A-T, bat. And then B-A-G, bag. Yes, beta. You will read. First of all, you will complete these two pages. After that, you will write in your notebook the name of these pictures. Okay, beta. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you.